Hello, welcome back to the Latin Cybers. Today we're gonna continue with our second duo from scenes. We're gonna download Wazuh. First thing we're gonna do, so we're gonna just set Wazuh here and Wazuh here. So when I click the link, I'm gonna go say documentation, scroll down, when I go to VM more uh, virtual machine of VM. So here is where we can download. So we're gonna click, scroll down, a virtual application or EVS. So I can see it's already downloaded. Now we have to wait that the download is complete to install it. So now that we downloaded, what we're gonna do first, I'm gonna go forward and uh, we're gonna name Wazuh the save it, put in it. Now we're gonna move into virtual boss. We're gonna go for the last boss we're gonna solve, which is that one. Click, open. Yes, gonna get straight. Open. So here we have. So just what we have to do, just finish, click and finish, and print that over here. Uh, so may take a minute or two to complete. So that's the whole installation. So now we're gonna do some changes before we start the machine. We're gonna go setting. Mm, So let's see network. Okay, some bridge. Displays. We're gonna change it to VN. For your start, I had to make sure that you change it here. So when I click OK, now we're gonna start. Uh, we're gonna start and then we're gonna add it to be simple. Let's start it first to see. Um, so here, we see our credential. Uh, Users of Wazuh, user password. It is Wazuh. Click, I believe. To user, yeah, Wazuh. User. Yeah. See the address. That's our IP address so far. So now we wanna do it is to wanna turn it on for our PSIN and we wanna connect to the PSIN. So first, let open here. I wanna open the browser. So this is our IP address. So let me just come back here. I wanna open the browser. Uh, for this one like 168. Wow. Do what was the Wazuh 122? Yeah, that's the good address. So what we had to do is HTTPS to 168, 122. So with clear in advance, uh, proceed and save. I know this is what some is not anything bad. Uh, 34 login is admin. So after we can change the password so just to show that work. Um, this is one of the SIEM tool we use to monitoring system. Uh, so we're gonna use to put in our lab. So we're gonna be doing penetration testing and so on at the same time to see. Oh, that's what it is. That's really nice. So guys, remember if you like the videos, don't forget to subscribe and leave your comment. Uh, and the second part of Watsum is gonna be how to configure inside when I create some law and file to give it more efficiency. Don't forget to give a like and leave your comment. Stay tuned.